Sorry, we go the other way round.
Sembang terus lipat dari hati, terus dekat, kongsi tawa, kongsi minat, tempat kawan tak terlepas.
Jangan tengok
Tak tengok lah.
See, is this the right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'll do first. Right? Okay, this is my card.
Okay.
Tolong duk. Man, kau buat dulu.
Okay. Mana kamera ni?
Terbalik.
Terbalik.
Okay, kamera sana.
Kamera
Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, aku punya turn. Aku tak tengok Betul?
Okay. Kau tolong. Ya. Okay, sit, komentan.
Boleh?
Terbalik.
Boleh.
Mak dia.
Aku teruk lah.
Mak dia.
Boleh. Masuk.
Man.
Siap ni.
Macam ni nak?
Boleh. Langkau je.
Okay, let's go. Tadi siapa start dulu? Get your papers and pencil.
Saya start dulu lah, saya aku kalah.
Okay.
Am I a real person or not?
Yes.
Habis apa? AI?
Mana pencil aku?
What a question, am I a real person?
Itulah, we are playing what?
Yelah, no. Can be a character.
Can be character.
Okay.
Correct.
Siapa yang turn?
That way lah. Aku last.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Aku lelaki.
Yes.
Sama question ni.
Alamak. Okay, aku nak try kasi more to zero tu. Okay, is he an actor?
Yes.
Yes lah.
Actor, yes. Okay, so because you say actor, he. So that's two questions.
Oh, penalize
He
tak
is an
skip lah.
actor.
Oh, okay.
Kau trick
But, no.
Ah.
Actually, if you say is this person an actor or actress, kan, okay, I'll give it to you lah. Okay. Okay, date.
No.
Oh, no.
Like, okay, next.
Still living. Kan? Still living kan?
Huh?
Yes.
Masih ada?
Masih.
Wow, unknown. Okay.
Masih.
Still unsure. Okay.
Am I dead or alive?
Alive.
Oh, very much alive.
Very much alive.
Macam dia dengar ni.
Okay, aku actor.
Pernah.
Yes.
Alamak.
Tapi dia bukan actor.
Dia bukan actor, tapi dia pernah act. That's a clue for you lah.
Yes.
Okay. Pernah act, okay.
Okay, am I in Hollywood?
Yes.
Alamak.
Okay, my turn. Am I
Aku
in
punya
Hollywood?
Weakness ni.
Hollywood.
Yeah. Yes.
Aku tahu Yes
Macam 50-50 pula.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What clothes do I wear?
Macam nak jawab pasal ni?
Your creativity lah.
But it's a person.
Yalah, person lah. What clothes do I wear? Legit question.
Okay, let me think for you.
Boleh? Silk? Tak boleh?
Nanti dia ingat semua dia pakai silk. So it's not
Boleh
fair
je.
also.
Oh ya, tak juga.
Dia
Pasal kau punya question is too. We can tell you what kind of clothes this person wear.
Yeah. Yes, what type of clothes?
What type of clothes? Normal clothes lah.
No.
Clothes. Nothing special.
Ya, betul juga.
No.
Nama clothes.
Nama clothes ya?
Nama clothes.
That doesn't really help.
Yeah.
Memang.
Kadang-kadang pakai kostum lah.
Tak payah tambah-tambah. Nanti dia tahu.
Itu additional clue tau. Okay, go.
Okay, aku pernah act Hai, pernah act pula. Aku masih hidup?
Yes.
Okay, masih hidup.
Another hint. Nak kasih another hint? Tak payah go.
Ni actor Hollywood. Apa lagi nak tanya? Actor Hollywood banyak saya. Act dalam action movie?
Yes.
Aku
Banyak
aku
sial,
punya Hollywood
masih
50-50
masih banyak. Nak kena narrow down lagi.
Is this person a singer?
Dia macam nyanyi.
Yeah,
juga.
dia sings lah.
I can sing.
Ada nyanyi.
Okay, see.
Is this person based in
Mike.
Is this person Singaporean?
No.
no.
Oh
my God.
Aku pula tulis no. Asal aku tulis no? Okay, hidup pernah act
ni?
lelaki.
Main kostum.
Hidup pernah act lelaki. Aduh, aku sportsman.
No.
Oh, bukan.
Okay, aku dah tanya actor Hollywood action. He's here alive.
Yes.
Yes.
So that means he's current.
This person is not from United States.
No.
No.
I mean from United States. I mean your
This person
it's
is
a no
from-
to your question.
This person from the United States.
No.
Yes.
No.
From apa?
Yes.
Yes.
From means born.
Yes. Asal aku cakap no?
There's a hint there as well. Okay. Hint there as well.
Okay, aku upper race.
Middle
race.
Eastern.
Middle Eastern.
Yes.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, aku bukan sportsman Aku pernah act, aku hidup, aku lelaki.
Tapi pernah main golf.
Pernah main golf, bukan sportsman tapi pernah main golf. Pernah main golf. Okay, aku okay, ni confirm yes. Aku politician.
Yes.
Man?
Okay.
Or Sony? Wanna guess? Or Man?
No, belum.
Okay, Man.
Belum lagi. Okay, kejap. Act in 007 movies.
007?
No.
No.
Bagus. Banyak aku boleh strike off.
Is this person a comedian? Am I a comedian? Sorry.
No.
No.
Interesting question.
No, not.
So no.
No.
Tak pernah pun aku tengok dia komedian. Tak.
Okay. No.
Middle Eastern pakai kostum Main kostum
Ya, kadang-kadang ada juga.
Selalu dia pakai kostum kala apa? Selalu dia pakai kostum kala apa?
Mana
ada.
aku tahu.
Kala-kala lah.
Kostum, kau tahu pakai kostum kan? Kala apa dia pakai?
Yang cakap pasal kostum dia.
Dia my question apa?
Tanya dia.
Apa kala kostum dia? Yang dia pakai?
Tak.
Kala-kala. Tak tahu je.
Tak kira lah. No, tak ada. Tak ada spesifik.
Okay.
Aku turn Okay, politician kan. Lelaki pernah act. Pernah act asap. Okay, aku Singaporean.
No.
Alamak, bukan Singaporean. Okay, aku rasa.
Dia act dalam Mission Impossible series.
No.
Tapi kau name all the action movies apa?
Am I white?
Oh my goodness.
No lah. No.
No.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, no.
Yes, obvious.
No.
I think I ask that question next.
Okay. Which country am I from?
Aduh.
Mak tak tahu.
Aku pun tak tahu.
Huh?
I don't know, but
I don't know.
I only know that they're from Middle East.
Middle East.
No, I think
am I
that
right?
one is the race. I think that was only the race, but not from.
I don't know.
Me? Kau tahu?
Middle East.
We don't know, man.
Life. Okay dah.
Middle East je lah. Alamak, okay, aku rasa aku tahu aku punya. Am I black?
No. No.
No.
Hey.
Okay. Aku nak tanya tu tadi. Am I black?
Yes.
Denzel Washington.
No.
Damn it. No.
Am I Asian?
No.
Aduh, jangan ambil lagi
Tak kena tulis one by one ni semua yang
Do I appear in TV?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
TV
Yeah.
boleh Google lah. Aku boleh imagine muka dia tapi aku tak tahu nama dia.
Oh, kau tak tahu nama dia. Okay, nanti kau try tanya question.
Okay.
Pasal kalau kau dah tahu siapa kan, kau try tanya. Aku punya turn. Hai, White, hidup. Alamak, susah sih aku punya. Kenapa aku punya semua susah-susah? Okay. Sekarang, I'm a talk show host.
No.
No.
Oh, no. Spesifik
Man.
Okay. Question. He acted in boxing movie.
No.
No.
Okay, bagus. Nama dia aku tak ingat.
Am I black?
No.
Wah, dah narrow it down dah apa.
Oh, aku rasa aku tahu kau fikir siapa. Tak.
Okay, sit.
Nama dia aku tak ingat.
How old is he?
This person, I don't know. Younger than us lah.
Oh, young.
Should be younger
Yeah.
than us.
Young.
Young
Young.
Should be, I think.
Yeah, should be younger than
Yeah,
us.
They're from Middle East.
Yeah.
Should be.
Yeah.
He on TV. Pakai kostum. Apa ada ni?
Sami.
Alamak, susah sih. Oh,
Nanti lain.
Kau punya sampai tadi.
okay. Aku dari Malaysia.
No. Tadi kau punya question ada tadi.
Dah, man, dah.
Oh tak, tu tak aku tanya aku Singaporean ke tak?
Oh, okay. Okay. Dia pernah act cerita ada ular banyak.
Ular banyak.
No.
Oh, no. Not
Next
that
question.
one.
Not that one.
Wait, what am I doing? What is my profession?
Entertainer.
Betul.
Good job.
Betul.
Yeah.
What is my profession?
Currently don't know.
Oh, okay.
Previously apa dia
Tak boleh,
profession?
only one question though.
Entertain.
What? Only
Yeah.
one question.
Okay, sabar.
Okay.
Jawab. What is my profession? Kau tahu.
Aku rasa now dia buat jewellery.
Cuba jewelry.
Okay.
Oh, kau tahu lah. Okay. Suami follow. Oh, dia kasih ya.
Wah, kau return.
Okay. Aku from the US.
Yes.
Okay, from the US. Okay.
Not the boxing, not
TV
the
yang buat
snake,
jewelry.
not the Denzel.
Ya Allah.
Is he a funny guy?
Yes.
Yes, very
Dia pendek
funny.
tu
No,
Pendek.
cannot.
Apa nama dia?
Cannot.
Damn it.
Oh, tak boleh.
Entertainment
don't know.
alive.
Nama next question aku.
Not black entertainment.
Jewelry.
Is he liked by people?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, never mind. Go.
Ni dia person lah kan?
Yes.
That's the question. Done. Next. That's the question. Is this a real person? That is the question.
Tak, ini nak confirm. Dia confirm. Okay.
Oh, that was the first question.
Yang buat jewelry. Okay. What is his mother tongue?
Huh? English. That's all I know. Can speak English.
Ya, English lah.
Tak tahu sebenarnya ni mother tongue dia yang bahasa ibunda dia apa?
We don't know.
We don't know. Not
I
advertised.
don't know.
Dia lebih prominent English lah, English
Okay lah.
speaking lah. Susah bukan, aduh.
Aku dah dekat pasal kau mesti dah turun balik.
Kau dah narrow down tau. Kau bagi keluar balik.
Pasal kau dah narrow down lagi. Nanti kau keluar balik.
Politician from US. Aku tahu.
Siapa?
Okay.
Salah lagi.
Oh, tapi pernah act dia bukan actor dia. Dulu actor
Tak.
Tadi kan
Dia
dah
bukan
question.
act, but dia pernah act.
Alamak, salah lah. Okay, jap. Apa nak act?
Kau cakap lah apa yang comes to your mind.
Oh!
Hmm.
Alamak, tapi dia bukan sportsman Okay, okay. Dia sekarang masih aktif tak in politics?
Yes.
Okay lah, next.
Okay. Is he short?
No.
That cancels out the short guy.
That's why.
Yeah.
Damn it. Siapa siapa?
Ini susah ya.
Hah?
Ini susah.
Yeah.
Am I female?
No.
Sabar. Aku tak tahu ada female ke male.
No lah.
Male. Pasal tadi baru cakap he.
Yalah, bukan female.
Ya, bukan female lah. The female lah, Dok.
Ya ke?
The female. Tak tahu
Okay, done.
Apa?
Kita pun tak tahu.
Not
Lupa
white,
lah.
not black. God, I'm not well versed.
Dah 10 questions.
Dapat macam ni.
Abak saya.
Sit.
Huh?
Committed.
Okay. Am I white?
No.
No.
Middle East, yeah.
Middle East.
Scarlet.
Oh yeah. Okay, still aktif Okay. Oh, susah korang kasih aku. Oh. Aku tahulah siapa.
Ready, guys?
Ready?
Go.
Donald Trump.
Yes, correct. You're right.
Finally.
Alamak.
Okay.
Man dah kasih hint tadi, dia pemain golf.
Main golf. Okay, Man.
Dia pernah datang Singapura lah, tu je.
Yeah.
Apa lagi aku nak tanya ni? Aku dah tak tahu saya.
Okay, strike.
Now kau minta untuk tolong kita.
Okay.
Hollywood actor Russian live. Siapa siapa? Oh, Will Smith.
No.
Oh, that's a good guess.
Good guess,
Good guess.
That's a good guess.
Female, male.
Aku tak tahu dia female ke male. Aku tak tahu
Not
lah.
the short guy.
Tapi dia lebih dikenali sebagai male lah.
Okay lah.
Ya, dia lebih well known as male lah.
Kau terus blank sia. Aku really blank sia. Dia okay, first alive. Bila aku
Yes.
cakap in Hollywood, korang cakap about 50-50.
Ya. Okay lah, dia in US.
US,
tapi
ada
not
US.
really Hollywood.
Ya.
The entertainment scene, but not in Hollywood.
Not comedian. Can sing a bit. Got involved in singing.
Yeah.
Sings a lot.
Not white, not
Yeah,
Asian,
yeah.
not black. Entertainer, liked by
Yeah.
people. Serious.
Dia memang orang suka daripada
Orang suka
dulu
lah.
sampai sekarang.
Sampai sekarang, ya, correct.
How old is this person?
Aku tak tahu. Honestly, I don't know.
Yeah.
Alamak, aku tanya how old Shit. Bad question.
Yeah.
Okay, sit.
Tapi dia masih aktif ah.
Masih aktif
Yeah.
So, yeah, correct. Okay, aku turn
Yeah.
Does this is he a singer?
Is
No.
this person singer? No.
No.
Cannot sing.
Cannot sing? So, kau kena sing?
Aku tak tahu.
No singer lah. Cannot sing.
Yeah.
Salah ke?
Untuk ada bisu ke?
Okay. Nama apa lagi?
Kau punya dah dekat tu.
Aman, dah dekat, man.
Tahu tapi sekarang tak tahu nama ni.
Kau kena tanya the one question.
Will Smith? Bukan the short guy. You act with Jackie Chan.
Yes.
Salah, siapa saya nama dia tu? Aku dah tahu. Apa nama dia?
Ya.
Kira kau dah tahu.
Ya.
Cerita apa? Yelah, boleh kasih lah. Boleh kasih.
Start with C.
C. Ya, saya aku tak boleh ingat
Okay,
saya nama
dia
dia.
initials dia CT.
Sing and T.
Bukan Siti Nurhaliza.
Aku tak ingat.
Okay, since kita dah down to this one kan.
Yeah.
Do you want, should we go with the initials? Oswami, what do you think?
Initials lah. Initials.
Okay lah,
Siti.
boleh lah.
Okay, okay, Man dah.
Apa?
Kau boleh answer tak?
Tak boleh, tak boleh.
Lupa
Okay.
nama dia.
Nama dia aku tak
What
ingat
are
ni.
my initials?
BB.
Patut terlihat.
BB.
City. Apa saya Jackie Chan and
Oh, serious ah? Okay, Sid Committon.
Okay.
Apa yang ini first?
MK.
Kau punya MK.
MK.
Aku rasa si budak baik lah.
Wait. Aku Bad Bunny.
Bukan.
That's a good guess.
Oh, Bad Bunny. Sial. Sorry.
ya.
Oh, sorry.
That's a good guess, man.
Aku
Tapi
give up.
bukan.
Aku memang dah tak ada fikir apa. Dah blank.
Kau tahu siapa lah.
Cuba aku tahu siapa.
Kau tak ingat nama dia.
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
okay.
Oh, Chris Tucker.
Aku lost. Aku really lost. I really don't
They
know.
like by people.
Yeah, you already said that. That one is not helping me. Like by
Apa aku buat
people.
juri
Okay,
MK
aku
ni?
kasi lagi spesifik. Like by kids. Love by kids.
Yes.
BEB.
Tak tahu. Committon.
Aku apa? Last Last ni clue.
Kita dia kasi apa?
Tadi kita kasih MK.
MK.
Dia pun in entertainment scene lah.
Ya, betul.
Hollywood.
Dia
Tak.
pun
Underground.
dia independent lah.
Independent sikit.
Okay, based in US lah.
Dia pernah kat UK pun.
Oh.
Pasal dia pernah pakai tak payah. Oh, dia penyokong West Ham.
I think you give us the hints.
Okay.
You give us the hints.
Okay, Fir, kau punya don't think of a human being.
Tapi kau cakap sini alive. Ya Allah. Not human being.
Ya. Dia masih aktif.
BB ke PP?
BB.
BB.
BB. Very well
Aku
liked
tak
by
tahu,
kids.
Kids. Dia punya clue kids.
Ya. Fikir.
Tadi kau ada
The male lah, female.
tu tak tanya kan? Female.
Female. Aku rasa susah lah nak guess.
Dia budak baik.
Ini aku tahu pun bukan pasal aku tak tahu, ni member aku bilang.
Allah, siang kau.
Siapa?
Mia Khalifa.
Okay, aku give up.
Give up.
Juri
BB.
Aku rasa kau tengok sendiri lah.
Serious.
Aku tengok sendiri.
Last.
Okay, last guess.
Last scene. Like by kids.
Ya.
Not a
Kita pun suka dulu.
fictional
Dulu pun kita suka.
Ya.
As kid.
not
Dia
US citizens.
Dia tak aging.
dia bukan saja entertain tau, dia educate.
Ya.
Kenapalah aku tak tahu ni? Ya Allah, kenapalah aku tak tahu ni? I tell you, aku mesti bingit dengan aku berdiri.
Aku kasih lagi satu clue.
Dia punya orang besar.
Ya.
Besar.
The character lah, the character is
Aku
big.
tak tahu saya.
Aku kasih lagi tu. Singapore pun ada this character dekat Universal Studio.
Oh, okay. Kat USS ada.
Pun masih tak boleh tahu.
Tengah lost. Beauty and the Beast. No.
Aku tak tahu ni.
Beauty and the Beast Disney.
Okay, go. One more.
One more.
Okay.
Amak tu aku dah kasih Universal Studio.
Okay,
Dia punya-
okay, hint. The initials kan, DB kan.
Boleh kasih
Dia punya partner anjing ah.
Hah?
Dia punya
Oh
partner
ya,
anjing.
partner dah anjing.
anjing ke tu?
Anjing ah.
Anjing.
Oh, aku tak tahu tu binatang apa.
Okay.
Anjing besar. Dia pun besar juga.
Dia
Dia kerja asal.
Kalau coklat.
Cerita dia banyak theme songs lah. One of the songs is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Itu pun aku tak tahu saya. I must have a bad childhood.
Mesti dah blank.
Okay, I'm gonna go for it.
Okay.
Macam Snuffleupagus is the Snuffleupagus. It's an elephant lah. Big bird, jap. Alive, 50-50 Hollywood. Can sing, okay, got it. US citizen, okay, not comedian, not white, not Asian, not black. Like by people. Female male.
Aku tahu ada dia female.
Kau cakap don't know lah. But tadi kau cakap dia female but mostly become male. Terus aku like, dia tukar gender.
Mesti gay.
Ya, qualify.
Ya Allah.
Nak bring game ni.
Ada lagu yang nak kena share?
Lagu apa?
Dah lah, penat lah. Next time lah.
Lagu apa?
Lagu dah keluar sah?
Dah keluar eh? Okay. Penat aku dah. Penat.
Sekarang kita ke segmen
Inilah Carnival. Mana lagu ni?
Inilah Carnival. 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 Carnival.
Okay, so now we come to the part where carnival songs. Okay, the next song that we are going to introduce is one of my creations. Actually, it's my first English song that I create. Right,
So we do have English songs.
Yes.
Nama title dia adalah She's the Girl.
She's the girl.
Alright, yeah.
Boleh kasih accolade sikit?
Ha?
Boleh aku kasih accolade sikit lagu ni?
Accolade apa?
Lah, pasal lagu ni is one of the theme song of our band.
Ya, ya.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
Mana-mana kita perform mesti main lagu ni last.
Yeah, correct, yeah.
Anthem theme song lah.
Anthem
band kita.
song
A
lah.
lot of people like this song actually.
Ya. Sebanyak suruh keluarkan radio, kita tak keluarkan radio sampai sekarang.
Yes. Aku suka saya perform lagu ni.
Sama aku suka saya apa ni.
Yang kita perform dekat dekat mana? Youth Park
Nah, you fought dulu, you fought, yes. Now
time
skip,
tu-
now skip.
Skip lah.
Skate Park.
Sekarang
Time tu
skip.
tengah Singapore Music Festival.
Yes.
Ya. Itu kita perform dekat skate park tu best Ya.
Mana-mana kita perform actually aku enjoy this song. Dekat kaki lima,
Yes.
Yes.
apa ni?
That time Marina area, now dah tak ada kan.
Yang Marina dia tu apa?
Okay,
dekat,
Woodstock.
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 Tempat
Guest
lama.
house.
Yeah.
Guest house.
Guest house.
guest
Ya.
So this song is actually very complete. Kita really put in a lot of
Effort.
thought
Yes.
and effort into it.
True.
Or the it's the most complete, right? Most complete.
yeah, most
Yeah.
complete.
I have to say,
It's just that the aku punya solo is right outside the jamming, right outside the recording studio aku buat.
Yes.
Itu tengah last minute saya aku duduk kat situ. Okay, masuk go.
Tapi memang best lah. Dia punya riff semua. Macam lagi buat the song ni lah. Complete lah.
So basically dia punya song is bila aku buat ni lagu it's about a boy, okay, who eventually so-called terserempak dengan dia punya so-called childhood crush lah. Dah besar semua. So they got keep in contact. But then after that the guy so-called the girl eventually married someone else. But before that the guy was like trying to so-called woo her back lah. But then eventually the girl has a boyfriend. So eventually the girl married the boyfriend and the guy punya so-called punya hopes ni lah tak dapat lah. So eventually
So,
he
jadi lagu ni,
crush lah. Childhood crush lah kirakan. So eventually the song She's the Girl was created by me.
Ni
Senang dengar lah.
But the thing is, why is it in English?
Because aku tak I feel like ni lagu ni is more perfect to be created in English daripada Melayu. Kalau aku buat di dalam bahasa Melayu dah macam cengeng pula. Dah macam, so kalau macam buat ni English semua perfect, more
It fits
fitting
lah,
lah.
it fits.
More
Okay,
fits
okay,
lah.
okay.
Fits
lah.
lah.
Yeah, correct. So it's my first English song to be, first English song. Aku tak expect ni turns out to be that good lah kira-kira. Yeah, but so far I like this song lah.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the AI remastered.
Yeah, remastered.
Okay. So there are a few upgrades.
Yes, correct. Few upgrades.
Okay.
But then the essence of it is so-called still the same lah. So here is She's the Girl.
This song is already out, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this song is already out,
Yes.
and I'm gonna play it directly from Spotify.
Tak play.
Aku tak play. Bodoh.
it's been so long since I saw you run in the evening sun, chasing me, we were having fun. Take me back that time I knew. There's one thing I couldn't say, you make me take my breath away, but listen to me when I say she is the girl with the golden eyes around the world. She's the sun in the sky. She is the girl of my eye. Take me back the time I knew when you and me were just alone. It seems like a lifetime. The thoughts of you are coming in way too fast. I'm running out of time to get you here. Remember when we run in our hometown? I saw you there when you're feeling down. Send me back those rainy days. I wish I could be the one. I never have to feel alone, but put a smile upon my face. She is the girl with the golden eyes around the world. She's the sun in the sky. She is the girl of my eye. Take me back the time I knew when you and me were just alone. Run in our hometown. I saw you there when you're feeling down. Send me back those rainy days. I wish I could be the one. I never have to feel alone, but put a smile upon my face. She is the girl with the golden eyes around the world. She's the sun in the sky. She is the girl of my eye. Telling the world she's the sun in the sky. She is the girl. She is the girl. She is the girl with the golden eyes. You are the girl. You are the girl. You are the girl of my
Yeah. Brings back memories.
Tengah main tengah steam tu.
Tapi kalau live lagi panjang lagi ending dia.
Lagi.
Kita suka drag gila-gila.
Usually lagu ni we will show off lah lagu
6
ni.
minutes kan.
Lagu ni kalau perform kita ending kita drag.
Drag. Kita tak end kan tempat
The
yang
funny
betul.
thing bila kita drag tu lah kita nak tengok bila nak stop.
Selalu gitu. Dah boleh stop.
Okay, lagu ni ada di Spotify
Ada.
Alamak. So korang boleh masuk ke dalam Spotify kita, Carnival SG Is it Carnival
Tak ada
SG?
Carnival je.
Carnival aja, okay. Asal aku punya headset ini.
Nanti aku buat dia punya lirik video lah. Aku letak aku punya TikTok ni.
Oh, lirik video. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
dah.
Semua?
Yep. So
malam lah.
how many songs have we posted out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it 7?
Yeah.
7 songs already. So we have more songs coming up.
Yeah, more. We have
Yeah,
more
more
songs
songs
to,
coming
up.
to share with you all, alright?
Ya Allah, benda ni masih kat atas kepala kau ni tak
Semua
bilang.
dalam locker. Kita pun terlupa.
So
Okay.
today we
Dah,
played this
dah,
game.
Again,
It
I
was
hope you
fun.
guys
Yeah.
enjoy it.
It was-
Tak sangka bulan ni game boleh drag sampai
Lama sih drag.
Banyak berfikir.
tahun fikir sekejap.
Yeah.
Ya, pernah aku fikir
Kita
malam gini.
punya
By-
dapat sangat kita punya ni tak berapa bagus. Knowledge tak berapa bagus.
But it was fun.
Yes.
Okay guys, thank you so much. If you have any ideas for games, just let us know in the comment
Yeah.
section. If you want to email, just email us at
SKLSGpodcast@gmail.com.
and to
Yes.
find us on YouTube, you search for
YouTube, Spotify, IG, TikTok, search for Sembang Kerusi Lipat SG.
yes.
Let's go, guys.
Press the subscribe button, guys. Just press on it.
Yep.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so that's it for us.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
good morning.
Good morning. And morning.
Good morning. No?
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
Sembang kerusi lipat dari hati, terus dekat kongsi tawa.